Are you looking to set up parental controls on your child's iPhone to ensure they stay safe while using their device? Setting up family sharing and screen time on an iPhone can give you some control, but these options have limited use. Mobix, however, is the advanced solution for parents who need comprehensive monitoring and peace of mind. After testing both methods, I found that Mobix outperforms family sharing and screen time with its more advanced features. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. Here's how you can set up iPhone parental controls using family sharing and screen time, and why Mobix is a better, more advanced choice. Step 1. Set up family sharing. 1. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID at the top. 2. Tap Family Sharing and then set up your family. 3. Follow the instructions to add your child's Apple ID to the family group. You'll need their Apple ID. 4. Once added, you'll be able to manage their device settings directly from your own iPhone. Step 2. Enable Screen Time. 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap Screen Time. 2. Tap Turn on Screen Time and then tap This is my child's iPhone. 3. Set up a screen time passcode. This will be used to adjust settings later without the child knowing. Step 3. Why Mobix is advanced. While family sharing and screen time provide basic control, Mobix is designed for parents who need more in-depth, advanced monitoring features. Real-time GPS tracking. Track your child's exact location in real time, something family sharing can't do. Call and message monitoring. Access detailed call logs, texts, and even deleted messages. Social media monitoring. Monitor activity on WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and other apps. App and website blocking. Block harmful websites and apps remotely with ease. Step 4. Customize parental controls with Mobix. Mobix is perfect for parents who need advanced control over their child's device. 1. Remote control. Lock the phone or block apps and websites instantly, providing you full control. 2. Detailed reports. Get real-time updates on your child's activity, from social media to browser history. 3. Peace of mind. Mobix gives you a deeper insight into your child's online world, making it easier to protect them. While family sharing and screen time have their place, Mobix offers a far more advanced, powerful solution for parents who need more control and peace of mind. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial and get access to exclusive discounts and bonuses.